Hey guys, this is Tony, and today we're going to take a look at the Meguiar's Gold Class Liquid Wax. I've used this in the past before, and I'd like to show you and demonstrate how this wax works and get your thoughts as well. I'll be using it actually today with the Meguiar's DA Polisher. I've used the DA Polisher in the past and with great success for sure, and at a really good budget price as well, a good value for money. You can see one of my previous videos when I actually used the DA Polisher when compounding and polishing, again, all Meguiar's products as well. So today I'm going to focus on the Gold Class Liquid Wax, and stay tuned. Let's quickly look at the directions. The first one's a given. You definitely want to shake well. Also want to apply in a clean, cool surface, so a car freshly washed, dried properly, thoroughly, and also in the shade as well. And really another critical step is apply small amounts of the product. Definitely don't want to put too much on it. So applying a small amount, whether on an applicator pad or again, whatever your microfiber cloth, whatever you want to use. And just put it around the vehicle and allow it to dry. And again, you'll use your finger to determine if the cure time is ready to remove the wax. So very important to do so. Again, you can do it by hand, or you can use a DA polisher, which we'll be using today, the Meguiar's DA Polisher. Keep away from vinyl, rubber, and non-painted surfaces. Very, very important. I know a lot of different products they vary in terms of this, but always, that's why it's important to look at the directions where people might say, well, oh my gosh, I can't remove it off the vinyl or the rubber. And this is one of the reasons why the directions are usually missed. So very important to take a look before you get started. So I'm going to apply the wax on this 2018 Nissan Maxima. This car has been completely washed, dried, and even previously this car has been well maintained, so it didn't require any decontamination or using an iron decon or a clay bar. That's been done previously, so it didn't need to do that for sure. But you definitely want to test the surface if it's rough. You definitely want to take a look. There's some contaminants in your paint that you definitely want to use a clay bar or again an iron decon. So again, very important to take a look at those steps. Sometimes when you have excessive swirl marks, a compound can work as well. So you want to use a compound as the next step following your clay bar and iron decon. If an optional step, even prior to waxing, would be using a polish. This car was previously polished before, it doesn't need it. But again, an optional step, also depending what color paint you have. If you have white or silver, a polish, is an optional step. You may want to use it if you want, but you'll get a lot more impact on a darker color car, especially black for sure, where it'll definitely bring out the pop. So here's what we'll do as well. Now I'll apply the Gold Class Liquid Wax. I'll be using the DA Polisher, the power system from Meguiar's, and let's take a look at this product. Okay, so it's looking to haze a little bit. You see in this angle. Hopefully the camera is allowing you to see that, and actually you probably see a better angle here with the light. So typically about 5 to 7 minutes you'll be waiting, and then all you do is just with your finger, you just go through your finger through the haze, and if it's still hazy, then you gotta wait. And if it's pretty clear, then you're good to go to wax it off. So again, just being patient, of course, is very important. You want to make sure it's done properly. So once it hazes and once it's ready to go, we'll remove it. Use a microfiber cloth, a clean one, and I like to fold it a few times. So typically, I fold it once again, and actually a third time. So it's a lot more plush, and it's actually better on the paint to avoid the swirl marks. So once you're done with it, you definitely want to go ahead and just finish it off with your microfiber cloth for any excess amount of wax that may still remain. This is why I like this Meguiar's Gold Class liquid wax. It's just, look at the gloss, look at the pop, the reflection. It's just incredible. Really phenomenal wax. Again, it has carnauba wax and polymers, just reflecting UV rays. Removes fine swirl marks. Again, if you have heavy ones, got to use a compound for that. And just, again, just amazing, amazing reflection. And really easy to remove. I mean, really, like, I kind of, like other waxes I've used before, sometimes a little more difficult to remove. This one, definitely not the case at all. Very, very easy to use. And again, using this Gold Class liquid wax in the past never disappoints. As you can see, look at that phenomenal pop. And here is the final result. This was really, really easy to use. I'm not sure if anyone who's watching this has used this Gold Class before, the Meguiar's Gold Class liquid wax, or paste wax for that matter. This one is the liquid one. And just amazing, amazing pop, amazing, like just shine, like this phenomenal mirror finish. And again, pretty easy to remove. You know, the cure time was probably about 8 minutes or so, just to get a really good cure time. Just to, you know, there's some that are actually about 5 minutes or so. This one was about close to 8 minutes. But again, I mean, it's not the end of the world. It's just more of, you know, what is easy to use, what looks great. And again, you're getting months of protection here for Meguiar's. And just, again, just wow, like a mirror finish. Again, this is a 2018 Nissan Maxima. And again, this is just an amazing product. I mean, I strongly recommend it. I mean, Meguiar's products I typically enjoy using, along with other ones as well. But this one here, just, again, just an amazing wax. I've used it previously before, it was a couple years ago at least, when I started using it. And again, just really, really enjoyed using it. And I still tend to use it as well, along with other waxes. This year I want to use this one. The purpose of my wax job here was just simply to prep for the winter. Again, I live in Canada. We're getting some cooler weather on the way. And again, you know, November is just a couple of days away, literally. So, you know, this is something you definitely want to protect your car before any kind of snow comes in. Again, the snow might be a little while, but still, you want to be ready for it. And as you can see, just pretty amazing results. So thanks everyone for watching this video. If you liked the video, please click on the like button, smash that like button, and hope you enjoy watching other videos as well. And please subscribe to this channel, and where you can see many other videos, car wash videos, again, paint correction, you know, using different waxes and so on. So again, subscribe to this channel, and we'll use many more products throughout the years. So again, thanks everyone for watching this video. God bless. See you in the next one.